Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make celery juice in simple steps. Now before I dive into this, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on this YouTube channel, then please smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified. So this juice is purifying and helps to eliminate fluids. Taking it in the morning has a cleansing and comforting effect. It can also be taken as a gazpacho, accompanying it with a fresh tomato garnish. And now, here are the ingredients we need to prepare celery juice: 3 to 4 branches of celery, 1 tomato, mint leaves, 1 lemon. The method of preparation is very easy enough to follow the next steps. 1. Cut off the top leaves and the base from one bunch of celery. And try to get organic celery if you can. This will ensure the celery has not been sprayed with any pesticides or other agricultural chemicals. 2. Rinse each stalk of celery separately to thoroughly clean them. You can also put the stalks in a colander, if you have one that is big enough, and rinse them all at once. 3. Put the stalks of celery one at a time through the feeding tube of a juicer. 4. Pour the juice in a glass and drink up. Celery juice on its own isn't very tasty, so chug it if you want to get it over with. If you don't want to drink all the juice at once, you can store leftovers in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Optionally, you can add a tomato. Serve it with mint leaves or a few drops of lemon or lime. If you want to learn more about weight loss, then please click the link in the description below this video now.